To perform a Bosu ball tilt, make sure that you flip that Bosu ball over so that the rounded portion or the ball portion is on the ground, and you can hold on to the more sturdy and flat portion with your hands, keeping your shoulders directly over the wrists and holding a plank position. Draw the belly button to the spine and squeeze the glutes to keep a nice neutral spine and engaged core. You're going to slowly shift your weight from one hand to the other, trying not to move your hips or your torso too much, helping your core hold an isometric contraction and engage the glutes, back muscles, and abdomen completely during this movement. If you need to modify this movement, you can always drop down to your knees, lifting your feet off the floor to still get an added challenge.